Greetings to all of you. We're starting the live broadcast. Welcome to the stream. For those who are rewatching this stream, I'll say right away what I do before trading. I set a goal that we need to get 4 wins or earn $300. And as soon as we achieve one of these goals, we immediately end the trading session, the trading. The quality is bad, it's not good, it's lagging. Let me fix it. The setup isn't great, you can't really see it well. I think now I'll set it up so that you can see everything clearly. We need to do it exactly like this, for example. Right now, I am going to send the direct link to our official Telegram channel, and as soon as I have sent that link, we will start working on our tasks right away. Please just give me one more minute of your patience, and then we will finally be ready to commence our professional trading session with our automated bot. To all the new guys who want to join our team, when things are going well for me, I try to share the profit. I will personally send to all the new guys who are just joining our team, $20 each, $20. So keep that in mind. If you plan to join the team, come on in and I'll give you $20 for your deposit to get started so you can have a good start. Hello everyone, hi to all. The goal is set, 4 wins or to earn $300. The trade amount is $100, trade duration is 3 minutes. We'll be trading using our bot. Ahead of us is trading with the team based on forecasts. Thank you very much for your feedback. Let's go. Hi everyone. I would like to take a moment to share some exciting news. I am offering a special $20 sign-up promotion, and I'm giving it to all of the new team members who are joining our group today. Please make sure to send me a direct private message right away to claim yours. And let's pin it. Let's do that. Pin the message. Hello to everyone. Greetings to all. Sava, hello. Sergey, Alexandra, video. No video? Is there really no video or is there a video? Sergey, hello. Please write if you can see the picture, yes or no. Organizational matters, they always happen and are always there. So now we'll just spend a little time on this and then we'll start trading. All right, let's go. I think everyone's here. Guys, if it's not too much trouble, click the like button. Yes, everything's good. Everything's set for the whole team. I'm lowering the brightness. It's not lowering here. All right, let's go. Currency pair, we're starting to work with the first currency pair, Australian dollar to US dollar. By the way, from now on we'll have a contest every stream. I'll be running an M1 contest. This is the currency pair I'll be looking at right now. I'll be holding contests. Now I'm going to ask you where you think the chart will go. So the currency pair is Australian dollar to US dollar. And here's USD. Where should we open a trade here? Up for 3 minutes or down for 3 minutes? Up for 3 minutes or down for 3 minutes? Please tell me where to open the trade. Write your answer. Whoever gets it right will win. No, guys, I won't enter here. The bot gives us an upward forecast, but the second indicator based on the bot gives a downward forecast. When there are two different signals, we don't consider that currency pair. When there are two different indicators, we don't trade this currency pair. Let's move on. I'm looking for the next currency pair. So now I'll be asking, for example, where should we open a trade? Up or down? If you answer correctly, I'll send you $20 to your balance. Swiss franc, Japanese yen. The main condition is that you have to be on the team. And I top up your balance. Each stream we manage to give away about $80. Giving away 100 is actually pretty good. Guys who are new here, hello everyone, hi. If it's not too much trouble, write how you're doing, how things are going for you, and so on. Here, our bot is giving a forecast for a downward movement, but according to the second indicator, it's showing an upward trend. Not considering that option, I need us to have both indicators, the upper and the lower one, then a signal, either upwards or downwards. We'll avoid strong movements, but if there are strong movements according to the bot's forecast, then in principle, we can work with that. They're probably already there. We're just in time for the British pound and Swiss franc. So What's the contest about? I'll be showing you. I wanted to enter down here, but as you can see, the chart has already taken off. Not an option. For newcomers, the giveaway isn't just for the team. No, the giveaway is for everyone, but also, besides that, if you're just joining the team, I'll also give you 20 bucks. Watch closely right now. Interesting. So look, here's a currency pair. Where should I open a prediction, up or down? Guys, tell me, in this case, should I open a prediction up or down? I'm opening up a trade, British pound and Swiss franc. I'm opening up a currency pair GBP CHF going up for 3 minutes. GBP CHF 3 minutes up. Watch closely, trader. GBP CHF for 3 minutes. Watch it now, trader. This is a very risky prediction, but it's the first trade, so it's basically okay. Now I'll explain why. Alright, let's talk about the contest. From what moment? From this moment we start watching. Live in the moment, hello, trust, down. Look, this person is a trader, shade S, up, ruin, down. Wrote it. Okay, prediction. Why did we go up here? First of all, I'm against entering against a strong movement, and here the movement is very strong. So I'm generally against entering against strong movements if there are strong movements. But no matter how strong the movement is, there is a level from which there will be a pullback. Right now, according to the bot shows that the chart will give a pullback, there will be growth. There will be growth here, but it's still risky. Right now we have one level, and below we have a second level, the previous level. We set them up based on these stops. Now. Here, it turns out there is a level, and from it, I believe there will be a pullback. Well, let's take a look now. According to the bot, let's look at the British pound and Swiss franc. You see this indicator is pointing up and the percentage ratio is also up. Let's see now. How will it go for us? But still, the chart is dropping sharply. 1 minute left. You can participate, but I won't be able to transfer it to you. You can participate, but I transfer it to them, to the guys who are on the team. So go ahead and participate, of course. Now they'll transfer it to me. Look, I'm recording a loss here. Someone predicted a drop, right? I have a loss. So look, we won't enter like this anymore, even if the bot shows it. So it turns out, who here chose up? Ruan wrote up, you wrote down, so will you write? Please, after the live stream, send me a private message and I will transfer $20 to your balance. I'll add it, fine. The quality is extremely poor for some reason. Well, now it's a bit better, that's fine. So you take it, you earn $20, and I end up with a loss. What do I do according to my trading system? I multiply by 2.5, meaning instead of using $100, I use $250. Guys, newcomers, hello everyone, hi, I'm talking about well, probably the live stream. There are also giveaways here. Here I share knowledge, how we work, and if you are just joining our team, I give you $20 each as a gift. British pound to Australian dollar, the currency pair, GBP so AUD, British pound to Australian dollar. Good morning to everyone, wishing you profitable, accurate, and easy trades. Thank you. Same to you. All the best. Thank you. You are great. Thank you very much. British pound to Australian dollar. Yes, we have the currency pair. The time frame is M1, right? Yes. Now take a look at this currency pair. Where do you think the chart will go, up or down? What do you think? Where should we open the forecast, up or down? Who will answer correctly? Whoever answers first will receive $20 sent to your balance. The main thing is being on the team for the transfer. If you've already earned, look here, the forecast for the future movement of the chart is down, but the second indicator shows up. I won't enter the trade. But here's the perfect moment to enter up, but here it says it's not an option to enter. Look, first touch, second touch, third touch, fourth touch, and a breakout. Maybe it's not an option because here is the perfect entry point, and if you had entered here, it wouldn't have been very convenient. But for those who wrote up, you are absolutely right here. Nikolai saw a great opportunity down. He also won today and took $20. Please don't participate. Give other guys a chance. Why is everything so overexposed for me? Is it because of this tab or something? Yes. Alright, never mind. But it's still going to get in the way here. I can't hide it. Add a name for us. I'm looking for the next currency pair. We'll open with $250. If you have any questions, please write them. I'm happy to answer. We can consider euro-dollar as a currency pair, but maybe something a bit calmer. Let's take a look. There are strong movements on almost every currency pair, either up or down. We'll choose carefully. Let's consider the euro-dollar currency pair. The currency pair, EUR USD, euro-dollar. F11, I have a MacBook, I don't have F11. Thank you very much for the suggestion. Down. But I haven't asked yet which direction to enter. If you write Evgeny before I ask, I don't take that into account. I haven't asked yet. Now look, where did you open here? Forecast. Up or down? Please take a look at the currency pair, euro-dollar. In this case, where would you open a forecast? Up or down? I'm ready to open with $250. I'll show you now. The trader wrote up, Nikolai said down. Alright, I see two people. Up. Guys, I'm going up. I'm putting all the dollars up on the Euro USD currency pair, Euro and USD. I opened a 3-minute up trade on the Euro USD currency pair, opened for 3 minutes for an increase, opened up so it's up versus down. Nikolai wrote down. Okay, let's follow along. Thank you very much to those who liked. Let's take a look. I opened an up trade on the Euro USD currency pair and opened Euro dollar up for an increase. Let's watch. And if you want to join our team as a bonus when it doesn't go our way, it's been a good, profitable month and week, and I always share my profits with you, as you know. So, if anyone wants to join the team, please add yourself, and I'll send you a $20 bonus. So, let's see what we have here. Yeah, as for Chrome itself, I probably won't be able to make it black. Alright, I'll do it later then, because you see, we could of course move the phone a little bit. Okay, we'll do it later. Can I activate my account? Can I participate? Yes, of course you can activate your account. I'll transfer it there for you, but having two accounts is not allowed. Andrei, I repeated there after Evgeny's question, but about the previous currency pair, yes, you wrote about that one, not about this one. So right now we have two people participating. Here is the first person, and the second person, Nikolai Trader, is participating. So whichever of you is correct, I'll send $20 to that person. I opened an upward position, just like Nikolai wrote. I opened a buy position, and I have 1 minute and 20 seconds left. We opened with $250. If everything goes well, we'll make $210 on this trade, maybe even $215. Let's follow along. Why did we open an upward position here? Look, we requested the Euro USD currency pair from our bot, Euro Dollar. I requested this currency pair, and what do we see here? The bot's forecast is up. The bot's forecast is for an upward movement. The second point is right here. 70% also indicates up, 70% up. Two indicators, two forecasts for an upward movement. So let's keep monitoring and see how the trade closes. 40 seconds left. If we take our analysis into account, did we do the right thing or not? I believe we did everything correctly. Upward movement, correction, then upward movement again. I'm expecting a further breakout of the horizontal level. This one right here. We entered not just following the trend upward, but also checked the bot. Everything is correct and there are no sharp, strong impulses. We found an upward move as expected, but anything can happen in the market. You know, there are those nerve-wracking days when a trade doesn't close right away. It would be great if this one closes immediately and we get a profit so we can earn together. The main thing is that there was a profit. Evgeny understood everything, thank you. If it wasn't about this, then I apologize, I just misunderstood you guys. I've got a profit, and I'm keeping my fingers crossed that you get a profit too so you don't get stopped out. Write your result in the chat. More than 2 accounts are prohibited on the project. Yes, of course, that's correct. Tourist, hello guys. If it's not too much trouble for this nice profit, let's take the profit here and earn $215. Please tap the screen twice for a like. Natalia, you wrote minus. Why did you get a minus? Alexandra, minus. Why did you join late, right? Or did it drop down very badly so it's like 50-50? Some got a plus, some got a refund, and it dropped to a minus at the last moment. Apparently, let's try another currency pair then, for those who are new here, so you can see how I work according to my trading system. If I have the first minus, God forbid, then I use double the transaction amount of $250, and it brings me a net profit of $215. I take away the $100 that didn't go through and we are $115 in the black because of the delay. You see, someone came in late, someone came in early. It's 50-50 in terms of the result. Let's look at another currency pair. Who here has the British pound and the Australian dollar? Nikolai, right? You were right. That's right. Nikolai wrote up first. No, Nikolai wrote down, said the trader. So you were the first to write up. Or is this already a different pair? Yes. So you end up winning $20. You were right. I also opened up. So please message me privately after the live stream. So look, here's the currency pair. Where should we open the trade, up or down? Guys, quickly write up or down. Message me privately after the stream and I'm opening up here. British pound, Australian dollar, 3 minutes up. Message me privately and I'll send you on a $20 deposit for being on the team so I can send it. If not, then if you're not on the team, should I add you to the team? I'll send you $40 because this promotion is for those guys who are just joining the team. I'm helping financially, and since you also won in the bullet contest, Nikolai wrote up. If you're a trader, you've already won and participated. Let's give others a chance, but you can still participate. I'll still take into account that you've already won. Okay, got it. Nikolai up, Sova, King up, faster. Someone write down, faster, write down. If someone writes a down forecast now, and if the real chart goes down, then they can still earn. Send $20 for down, there's still a chance. I just opened an up forecast here. British pound to Australian dollar, 3 minutes. I opened an up position. No one wrote down either. Sova and King also wrote, but that's not allowed. You wrote either up or down. We're not just guessing here, right? We're analyzing here. Nikolai analyzed and wrote his prediction. So I won't count your down, but I'll count Igor's down because you already had up. Good luck to everyone. Good luck to you too. Write to me after the stream. I'll transfer it to you, okay? Why did we enter up here, guys? Let's take a look. If we open the bot with you, here is the currency. The pair, British pound and Australian dollar. The bot that gives us forecasts whether the chart will rise or fall. The future movement of the chart is upward. We are seeing this kind of growth. There is a first signal up and a second signal, 62% also up. First signal, second signal, 2 signals for an upward move. That's why we entered up. Let's watch what happens now. This trade will close. Thank you. You help us so much. Thank you very much. Message me privately. You won, right? I'm listening. Got it. I wrote down what was said. Understood. Thank you. But I meant the guys who haven't participated yet, who haven't written yet. Alright, let's keep monitoring. 40 seconds left. So here we got a signal to go up. If we take into account what's happening on the market, according to the chart, we also have a signal to go up here. We had a level. At first the chart was hitting it from below, then it broke through. Then it started hitting it from above. This is a pullback. This is the third touch. This is a pullback. This is the first reason why there's a pullback here. The second point is if we entered here, we have a level here and another level here. The chart also hits this level twice. I'm expecting upward movement there. I'm expecting it to go up. Well, there are 6 seconds left. Most likely I'll end up with a loss here. I won't have time to close in profit. Most likely you'll also end up with a loss. Who wrote down? Igor, you wrote it down. I saw it. Message me after the stream. I'll transfer $20 to your balance on Kino. I've already sent you money before. You've already participated. $250. $250. And this will be the next trade. I'm leaving this currency pair now. Yesterday we did a stream and managed to get 4 clean profits, 4 clear wins. We took them and overall we traded really well. The trading was good, not stressful. Today the trading is stressful. Now I'll show you another currency pair and you'll tell me where to open a forecast. Here is the currency pair. Take a look. Where would you open a forecast here, up or down? Yeah, I also took a loss there, fixed the loss. Let's wait, guys. Look, where would you open here? A forecast? Up for 3 minutes or down? Savaking, I see you wrote up. Guys, who else is writing up? A live moment, up. Nikolai, up. Everyone, write up. Yes, up there. I agree with you. I'm going up. The bot also has an upward signal. I'm up. Max Dance, hello. Alright then, let's take a look at exactly what Max wrote. What is this? Well, that's very clear. Like down, congratulations. What couple? What couple? Look, currency pair. Swiss franc, Japanese yen, CHF, JPY opened up for 3 minutes. CHF, JPY opened up for 3 minutes. Congratulations, up. Everyone wrote up here. You know, what else can we do? I can show the currency pair and also ask you whether it's up or down and we can enter. Andre, you keep forgetting to name the pair. You need to review it. Diane named it. Yes, I didn't name the pair. That's why, yes, I didn't name it. The currency pair is Swiss franc, Japanese yen. Guys, basically, I entered up. If you entered lower just now, I have 2 minutes left, so you should have it too. Plus, if I get a profit, let's see. Well, I did name it. I hope you entered lower, so you'll have more of an advantage than I do. We entered up here, guys. Why up? Hello to all the newcomers. Hi, everyone. If you join the team, I'll give you $20 to your balance. When I hit a good streak here, a profitable streak, and manage to earn quite a lot, I always share it with you and hold giveaways, just like that. Look, who was first here? Who wrote up? Let's take a look. Sava King, you wrote first. Sava King, sorry about that. Sava King, Sava King. You were the first to write up. That's it. If this trade ends up in profit, message me after the stream. I'll transfer $20 to your balance because I also opened an up trade. I'll earn $80 on this trade. You'll earn, well, if you open the trade, of course, $20. And you'll earn even more. Since you opened it, okay, let's open and follow along. By the way, I haven't recorded a story for our Telegram channel yet. Dear friends, hello to everyone, we're already streaming. If everything goes well now, this will be the second profit during the stream. So far, I've earned $115. Please join in. I repeat to all the new guys who are just joining our team. When things are going well for me, I start earning again. It's just that kind of period. I always share with you, so to all the new guys who are just joining the team, I add $20 to your kit balance for support and hold contest. Now, if this trade goes through in 13 seconds, plus, let's see, the fourth person in line, or maybe the third, will get $20. But if it's a win, there are literally 3 seconds left for that win. I'll earn $192, but the net profit is $92. So you joined the live stream. Okay, Sova, congratulations, you're collecting here. So your results, pluses are coming in. Excellent. Let's see. According to Alexander's forecast, plus Sergey, plus Valentin, plus Sava. Thank you. Sava, plus. We've collected a plus, and now we'll be trading the sub after the broadcast. Write the amounts and messages. I'll send you $20. Live the moment perfectly. Nikolai, Yulia, she's excellent. Super. You know what else? He's a lion plus Vasca plus. Great. You know what else, guys? Sava, the main thing is to be on the team so I can send you $20. We're looking for the next currency pair. We'll trade a bit more. At the start of the broadcast, how many did I say? 3 pluses, right? Our goal is either $300 or 4 pluses, a calm life. We have the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen starting. I'm really glad, guys, that I'm able to share with you. I'm really glad about the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, that I have the Canadian with you. So look, here's the currency pair. Where should we open the forecast? Up or down? Where should we open? I wrote something during the last stream, saw it. Congratulations. So guys, what do we have here? Up, Nikolai, I see you're up. Alexandra says down. All right, 2 winners for now. Bye. Well, we have a nominee. What do I have? Where did I enter? I would have entered up. But no, I won't enter here. Look, the future movement of the chart is downward. That's the forecast. But here the indicator gives an upward forecast. I won't enter. Otherwise, I would have also entered up on the breakout of the level, Nikolai. I saw your logic. Well, Alexandra, maybe you could look at it differently here too. There could also be breakouts of the lower movement level there. Downward as well, your logic. I saw the euro to US dollar currency pair, but wait a minute, that's not it. Now just a second, let's click start and choose the currency pair. Now I'll choose and show you and ask you a question. It's really nice, guys, that you all still prefer the euro, right? Where should we open a trade here? It's great that everyone is in agreement. No one is talking over anyone. No one is rushing ahead. Thank you so much. So here, where should we open a trade? Up or down? So Sergey writes, up, live the moment, down, and where will I enter? Look, here there's a signal to go up, and here there's a signal to go down. Don't analyze it, guys. We're not analyzing this. When we have different signals, different indicators, we skip them, we don't look at them. So what do we have here? I'm still staying as calm as possible. This is a currency pair without strong movements, weak movements up, weak movements down. Alright then, let's take a closer look at what we've already had today. There is a very strong and significant movement happening here, so you could certainly consider it. But please be extra careful right now, guys. I'll take a thorough look at the charts and tell you exactly which currency pair this is. And the time frame is M1. So look at this currency pair. Where would you open a trade here, down or up? What do you think? Where would you open it? Down or up? Alright, let's see. British, here's the currency pair, guys. GBP, CHF, British pound, Swiss franc. How frustrating. Let's refresh the request. GBP, CHF, British pound, Swiss franc. I'll refresh the currency pair. Maybe the indicators have changed. Right now. Down, down. Down, down, up. I've saved up for solid, confident deposits on Monday under your referral, ESSEC, and I'll be topping up. Alright, but message me today and I'll send you $20. Message everyone in advance. Play fair, agreed? Agreed, it should be fair. Yeah, guys, I'm going up. Here, the currency pair is GBP, CHF, British pound, Swiss franc. Up for 3 minutes, guys. British pound, Swiss franc. Up for 3 minutes. I opened British pound, Swiss franc. Up for 3 minutes. Who among you is here? How did you vote? Alright, let's take a much closer look at this particular situation right now, and I'll go ahead and set it up for myself exactly like this right here, so that everything is perfectly in place for us. Here, it's all down, down, down. Look, everyone wrote down. Only Alexandra wrote up. Everyone else wrote down. Now let's see. Either Alexandra will take the $20, or in a live moment, you all will take the $20. Whoever doesn't take it, whoever among you doesn't take it, I'd still be happy to give it to you anyway. Let's share with you, let's go through this together. I opened it upwards. Why do we have this? First of all, according to our God.